I learned last week from you, Nick, that sliced is a sport. You know, it hadn't really clicked for me until you were like, oh, playoffs and odds and oh, this is the stuff that happens in sports. And I'm like, oh yeah, oh my God, I'm a fan of a sport now. So
pretty amazing lineup tonight, y'all. I hope y'all are ready for some absolute drama.
I don't know why, more than any other episode, I suspect drama.
And without further ado, let's hear from the contestants and see who's coming up on the show tonight, y'all.
My name is Jessie Mostapek, and I am a data science evangelist at our studio.
Kyle Ligon, Northern Illinois University.
Adrian Cadena Medina, senior data analyst, and thanks for having me.
My name is Jordan Wilhelm, and I'm a data scientist.
Another week, episode 6 of Sliced. We got 4 contestants tonight. You've seen them before, and they are now fighting for their playoff contention lives. What's the data set like, and what are they looking for tonight, Meg?
So for the month of May 2021, they have to predict the rank of the popularity of the top 200 games on Twitch. So we've got a data set where they're dealing with ranked data. So one of the things that we want to see, and this is our 5-point golden feature tonight, is a bump plot with rank. So looking at, for instance, the top games streamed on Twitch over time, and then how that rank changes over time. And then the 10-point golden feature is some kind of visualization of a kind of flash in the pan effect. So we want them to visualize these short-lived but momentarily popular games on Twitch.
Ranks 1 through 200. It's actually based off hours watched. It is 9 p.m. It is hands-on keyboard time, and they are going. We're over here with Jessie Mostapek's screen, and you can see she is dropping in all her libraries. She already wrote out some notes for herself. Again, just what she might be going for in terms of golden features, and also how to group some of this data together. Lucky you, Meg. We're seeing some data viz, and look at this. This is specifically League of Legends.
League of Legends,
League of Legends by year.
Now what is this that he's looking at? Is this a different game?
Still League of Legends. I think he's just trying to...
different. Okay.
Yeah, he's going through different plots. He was on bar. He's now looking at area under the curve.
What about a bump plot?
We'll see. We'll see if he could spell league correctly as well. Ooh, so close. We see Kyle Ligon. He has his first, looks like a scatter plot. He looks like he's actually just looking for correlations at this point. Adrian Cadena Medina's screen, and Adrian still jabbing it out here in Python. He is using the scikit-learn gradient boosted regressor flavor for his GBMs here. Oh, here we go. More eyes on Twitch. Months 1 through 4. He looks like he's breaking up into quarterly looks. So that'll be pretty interesting to see if he gets anything. If he chunks time into quarters, I wonder how he's going to be able to predict literally May 2021. Let's take a look at Jessie. Summoning the powers of XG Boost, it looks like. All right. Kyle Ligon's screen. He has switched away from Tableau, and he is now just starting his approach in our studio. Remember, he did this last time, so he's starting 30 minutes behind everyone, even though he's done just a quantity and shotgun burst, a sprint, if you will, of data viz and Tableau. Jessie, looks like our environment crashed.
It looks like she's having some technical difficulties.
I hope this doesn't set her back. Okay, it doesn't. So it looks like she still has her very strangely titled. If she were a spice, she'd be flower.
And finally, Jessica. Bland, boring Jessica. If she was a spice, she'd be flower.
Ooh, we've got rank and year.
So close, Jessie. So
all
close.
Right.
You just need the hue. Wait, she's looking specifically at League though. But okay. if she doesn't filter. Oh, wait. Oh, God. Meg, we are so close. She just needs to take game out. If she takes
Make it a line. Make it a line. We've just got points. We need lines.
No, Jessie. No. Oh, my goodness. Oh, she's looking at it. She's doing a little exploration, I think. But color equals... This is so close. This is so close. Come on. You can do this. This is so close. Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, I'm going to be keeping an eye on on Jesse.
Okay, while that's happening, let's go over to Adrian, and Adrian looks like he's creating himself some violin plots here. These look a little more like candlestick plots. Like there's a candle base with like
and then like the wick.
Yeah. You know, it's a little more...
a candlestick plot is an actual thing.
Oh, that's right. It actually is.
There is such a thing as a candlestick plot. Yeah.
Rapier plots. That's right. This looks a little more like a saber.
Well, did I see that Fortnite was #1 overall in the data set or something cumulative? When I saw that, I think it was a plot from Kyle. I really wanted to quote Lady Gaga. What is Fortnite?
We do see a time series plot here from Adrian. In a way that I typically don't see time series plots. He has y-axis as year, x-axis as hours watched, which is not your traditional time series. Usually you have x as time, y is your dependent, whatever the thing you were measuring. Let's see Jordan doing some what looks to be predicting rank, and Jordan unsure of the connection between hours watched and sorting that into rank. We'll see if Jordan can come out of this. He was leading his lap 1 and was the winner of lap 1 with his modeling. He needs 27 points to secure some breathing room into the top 4. Kyle, who did win the pilot season as the champion of SLICED, it looks like he is doing some parallel processing and will be working with his XGBoost model. He is on an EC2 cluster. Now that he's spun up, it looks like he will be doing some... this might be some Bayes optimization. So we are yet again in some sort of Bayes optimized meta. Thank you, Landon Buchner, for convincing everyone that Bayes optimization...
Sliced influencer?
Bayes optimized grid search, you know? It makes complete sense. It is actually amazing to see the adoption of it from Landon's night to now with all these contestants. I do see something on Adrian's screen, which looks like a bunch of numbers. Quite literally, that is what we are looking at. Most likely, we are going to be seeing a plot after that. He keeps going for this ridge plot. I'm wondering if he just needs to cut some of these outliers to get this ridge plot to look like something. Remember,
do some log transform too.
One of the things that he was actually viral for not long ago was a very, very pretty ridge plot showing the importance of a quarterback versus the wide receivers versus the coach versus the defensive coach. Showing the separation between what's most important. Extremely pretty data visualization. Looks like trying to recreate a little lightning here tonight. Let's go back over to Jessie Mostapak, who looks like she has a data set called LOLY.
I love how each of our contestants has sort of like a different way of expressing the kind of struggle bus that they're on with this data set. With this, indeed, she has loaded library GG bump.
Oh, she has.
Which can only mean one thing.
We're on the precipice of a golden feature finally.
Geom bump.
Oh my goodness! Is this? Here we go.
Oh, it's technically a bump plot.
This does do it. That actually does do it. That's 5 points on the board, Meg.
That is. It's our first 5 points. First golden feature of the night. I see a nice plot from Adrian.
We do. Look, we got that ridge plot looking nice. I knew he was going to come through with that ridge plot at some point in time.
Oh, cute. It's Nyan Cat. Aw. Cute.
Oh my god. Jessie is striking hard and fast right now.
Beautiful.
Nearly 15 minutes left to go. NS Champs, Kyle Ligon, looking how to do some learning to rank. All right, you got 15 minutes, my dude.
15 minutes to learn to rank, yeah.
Yes, here we go. Jordan Wilhelm. It looks like Jordan. What is going on here? Oh, no. Oh, he's rescaling and then ranking. Wait, this is too many steps. You don't need to do that. You just need to sort values, my friend. Adrian, Kadena, Medina, I learned...
Or read the documentation.
Only 2021 matters. Only 2021 May matters. Popcat says that data was rough. Less than 5 minutes to go, and he needs a data frame. That's not how you use that. Oh no. You don't need to set data, you could just set the preds through it. You just need to set the preds through it. Oh.
Nick, he can't hear you. He can't hear you. Do we wish that we could like speak to them right now and just kind of like drag them across the finish line?
Here we are with Kyle looking up GitHub issues for XGBoost, because that's where you want to be. Less than 4 minutes to go here. Jordan Wilhelm looks like he might be trying to clean the data set. Oh my God, what is going on? This is absolute madness, Mag.
Okay, I knew there'd be drama, but I suspect drama.
He just, okay, Adrian now just needs to put this in a data frame. Wait.
Oh my God, 3 minutes, please. Please, please, please.
You just need to put this in a... That's not what the holdout set is. The holdout set is 200 rows. Oh my goodness. Less than 3 minutes remaining. Come on. Looks like he does have some... Okay. Yes, sort values. That's what you need to do.
Please,
yeah.
please. Yes.
Just sort it by hour. Come on. And then you just got to put in a range. Just do a range. No, sort value. You got to do ascending false. Ascending false.
Oh God, if it was...
No, this is it. No,
wrong?
Wait, that's not right. That's not it. You need the rank. You're gonna get 0 for this.
Oh God.
You're gonna unless you put in.
Is he gonna add it in Excel?
Yeah, that would be the other way. Okay, yeah. Wait. Oh no.
Delete. Good.
Rank.
Sort of good.
It's not 1 through though. It's not 1 through. It's the opposite. He did it. When you sort, it's ascending. It's not descending.
Oh my God. He has seconds remaining.
Yeah, see, he realizes it. It's ascending, not descending. You just need to do descending. No. Wait, no, it's not deck true. It's not deck true. It's... Oh, no.
No. Oh my God, he was so close.
Oh, no. We are at pencils down, everybody. Pencils down. Thank you, contestants. Thank you, chat. We have the popular vote.
Everybody vote for your favorite contestant. They win 15 points.
A few more seconds left on the poll, yo.
Congrats, Jesse. Jesse wins chat vote. 15 points go to Jesse.
And how are we looking at golden features, Mag?
We only had one contestant uncover one golden feature, and that was Jesse. Made for us a bump chart. So that is 5 points to Jesse.
Do you have your DataViz points ready to go, Mag?
I think that I do, yes.
3, 2, 1, Jordan Wilhelm. Why 4, Meg?
He definitely, had some nice visualizations, and I was honestly really happy to see it from Jordan, based on his past performances, not spending a ton of time in data visualization.
3, 2, 1, Adrian. I loved Adrian letting the data breathe, especially with those ridge plots.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed those box plots. I think even some of the time series stuff that he ended up doing, that was really interesting. Okay. 3, 2, 1, Kyle.
Surprisingly, they took the same approach that he did last episode, time boxing, 30 minutes spent on some Tableau visualizations. I think this data set, though, kind of lent itself a little less well.
3, 2, 1, Jesse. I think this is pretty clear. She, again, went with some amazing data visualization, not just related to the data, but also related to her modeling. She went everywhere from the descriptive stuff, faceted plots from the beginning, to really custom, crazy-looking, fanciful plots at the end. All right, modeling, y'all. Here we go, starting with Jordan Wilhelm. Jordan Wilhelm has a accuracy score of 3%. Kyle Ligon, he has a score of 0%. Adrian, because he did not submit, he also has 0%, and because of the tie-breaking rule, they both got 0%. Kyle has a submission before him, so Kyle right now in front of Adrian. Jesse Mossapak got an accuracy score, and I don't know how this is possible, but 0.005%. That means Jordan Wilhelm wins modeling.
30 points.
30 points to Jordan. But with that, the scores, 42 points, Jesse. Jordan with 38 points. Then we have Adrian with 13 and Kyle with 12. Another crazy night of Sliced. This was the most stressful Slice night, maybe? Thanks for everyone coming in, making it just another absolute wild one, and this was truly one that we will definitely not forget. So have a good night, y'all.